It's going.
Afternoon, class.
Hello.
Afternoon, teacher.
You can see I have these 3 sentences up on the board. 2 friends meet up by accident. A clown that makes people cry. And what are these examples of? Does anyone know what these are examples of?
Incidences?
Incidences, yes.
Is it like Halloween or something? I don't know, because like meet up by accident, like that's not right. Because like you don't meet up by accident. Like if you meet up, you meet up.
Well, I mean, like, imagine they're both at the mall at the same time and they happen to see each other. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Well, these are examples of irony and coincidence. Now, what is irony and coincidence? Can anyone give me a definition?
I can know coincidence.
Okay.
Coincidence is something that happens on accident.
Okay, very good.
Nice.
Here are some definitions out of a dictionary. Irony is the use of words to convey a meaning that is the opposite of its literal meaning. So, which of these 2 do you think is irony?
A clown that makes people cry.
Exactly. Because a clown is supposed to make people laugh, but this clown is making people cry. So, it is being the exact opposite of what it's supposed to do.
Irony.
Right. And then coincidence is a striking occurrence of 2 or more events at one time, apparently by mere chance. Obviously, the first one, because 2 friends just happen to meet up. Okay? So, I'm going to create another example of irony and coincidence, just using one keyword. And my word is going to be flower. So, my example of irony is the flowers made the room smell awful. And then coincidence the man forgot to get something for his wife on their anniversary. But on his way home, there was a street vendor selling roses. Okay? So, think of flowers. They're supposed to be something nice and something that smells nice. So, I use both of these thoughts of what a flower is, but for irony, I made that the opposite. So flowers are supposed to smell nice, but in this case, the flowers made the room smell awful. The opposite of what you would think a flower would do. And then for coincidence, the flowers are nice, but he forgot to do this nice thing for his wife, but luckily for him, there was a man selling roses.
He'd get pretty lucky.
Yes.
He's like, you shouldn't know, or else roses wouldn't do.
All right. So now I'm going to tell you some sentences or some examples, and I want you to tell me if it's irony or coincidence. A bully sticking up for someone.
Irony.
Yes, because bullies are supposed to be mean to people, but this bully happens to be protecting someone else. Okay? Getting in a traffic jam when you're late.
Coincidence.
Very good. Because they don't really have anything to do with each other, they're just annoying, and they both happened at the same time. Okay? You have a box of spoons when you just need a knife.
Coincidence.
Yes. Because it doesn't have anything to do with the other, but it happens at the same time. Okay? Stress relief candles starting a fire.
Irony.
Yes. Because stress relief candles are supposed to relieve stress, but because the candle started a fire, it caused a lot of stress.
I don't imagine.
Okay? And how about finding candy at a health food store?
Ironic.
Yes. Because you're supposed to
Like,
right, because you're supposed to find healthy food at a health food store, but you walk down an aisle and there's candy. Okay?
Happens a lot.
It really does.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you words, keywords that, like I did with flower, and I want you to come up with your own examples of irony and coincidence. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 each, and I want you to come up with as many ideas as you can
For each one?
for each one.
Okay.
And I'll be around to help you if you need it.
Well, convict is someone that is normally very mean and very not nice. I'm going to do the opposite of that.
Okay, good.
So far I have the police started a riot, and then I was going to do something about a donut shop being closed.
Very good. And so the first one would be irony, and the second one would be coincidence.
Yes, I was
Okay.
trying to do a little bit of both.
Very good.